So now let's see how we can utilize drop shadow filter inside of GIMP. But for that, I need to have a layer with transparency in it. So I'm going to go around and create a new layer over here just like this. And in the new layer, let me just go around and draw out something. So I'm going to go around, take my paintbrush, and let me just go around and change around the color as I like. So let's just go around, choose out some soft color like this. And I'm going to go around and press OK. So let's just go around and draw around, as you can see. So it seems as if I got this particular content right here on this particular background itself. But let's say I want it to pop out right here. And in that case, what I can do is I can utilize the drop shadow filter. So I have something like this around over here, this around over here, right here. So I'm going to go around over here onto filters, and then I'm going to go to light and shadow. So once I go around over here, you can see that drop shadow is an option. And if I were to go around and click, then you can see that shadow is added in. So now you can go around and change around the X and Y position of the shadow right here, just like this, as you can see right here, and then change it around. So you can go around, push it forward and so forth. You can go around and unlock this out right here, and then change around the location of the shadow just like this. Change around the X and Y according to how you want. You can change around the blur radius right here, just like this as well. And then you can also go around and grow the shape to circle right here, or square, as you can see right here. So you can also go around and choose around the opacity of the shadow right here and make it more darker as well. So that is what you have right here, just like this. So you can go around, change around the X-axis, the Y-axis right here, really change it out, as you can see, to change around the shadow right here, just like this as well. So you can go around, change around the opacity over here, and there you go. You can add in the shadows around over here. So this is being blurred. The shadows is being blurred because the layer is blurred. So let me just go around and create a new layer right here and press OK. And this time I'm going to go around and make a very sharp, hard object right here. Now I'm going to go to filters, then I'm going to go to light and shadow, and then drop shadow, and now you can see that the shadow is much more sharper as well. So you can go around over here and then unlink this, change around the X and Y axis, and change around the blur radius, as you can see right here, just like this. You can go around, change around the opacity around over here, and grow radius as well. So you can go around and you can see that you can go around for diamond shape around over here, as you can go around and change around the blur radius around over here, just like this. So that is what you have, and then this is how you can apply out the drop shadow. And then even you can go around and choose around the color of the drop shadow, as you can see right here. So let's say, for example, you can make it more blue right here, just like this, and that is how you can apply out the shadow. Of course, you can go around and see the preview right here. You can change around the blending modes and then work around with the before and after over here, just like this as well. You can go around and press OK, and it'll be applied. And that is how you can apply the drop shadow filter inside of GIMP. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.